Cool. Welcome back to the episode 2, which is choosing the best shape for the app that you're building. Now, this is a very important question, React versus Next. And this is not just about front end this point on. Of course, this is a front end discussion where we are doing React plus Next. But if you are not a front end person, you can still understand and grasp how do you think about what to choose instead of fighting between frameworks, right? The most important question is that you gotta stop arguing, man. Describe what you want to build. Both are great. Thing. Both are great. React is a library, of course, much less opinions. People like it for certain things, whereas Next is a framework, much more opinionated, and people like it for certain things. But there are cons to each and every framework or library or whatever you're choosing, right? You gotta decide what is best for what, and this video will help you do that. Okay, think of it this way. If I had to summarize this whole video in one line, I would just say one thing. If it's a SaaS behind login and SEO does not matter, always go with vanilla React. By vanilla React, you can go vanilla React with Webpack, RSC, or one whatever, or White. I personally like White with React and TypeScript much better than anything else. But yeah, choice is yours. You can go vanilla React if there is no SEO. If there are public pages and SEO matters, especially for content driven websites, then SSR or Next is much better. Next is one of the frameworks that gives SSR. React Router today also supports SSR for you in the framework mode. But yeah, SSR in general is a better idea when SEO is involved. Then, if you have mixed needs, you can opt for RSE or you can also opt for Next Router, which can help you do both, right? So this table will help you decide what to choose. Pick by app shape. If it's an internal tool, if it's a SaaS, if it's behind login, no SEO required. Just shut down your eyes, go to sleep, and the next day start working on React SPA. That's it. That is all you have to do. If it's a marketing site, simply choose Next. And if you want to be even simpler, you can go with HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Deploy it on Netlify, you're happy, right? Up to you. But if you really want to be in the React ecosystem, you can do Next. Then if there is a mixed public plus private, you can do Next App Router. Data heavy and SEO matters there, you can do RSC plus Next. Actually, you can still do Next. RSC is for advanced usage, and most people might not even need it. And if it's mostly static content, there is Next Static, there is Astro. There are many more frameworks, and there is simply HTML, Vanilla JS, and CSS. So choice is yours. Uh, why a correct choice really matters is a single prompt to fetch the data will give you different results based on your framework. And this is where having a correct framework actually matters, because those opinions can be built only on top of the framework, right? So just if you want to decide in 5 minutes, this is the framework that you can use. Page that must rank. Next. Everything behind a login, React Spa. And if you need both, Next App Router does the job for you. If you're senior on React and if you understand the complexity of server components, go for RSC. But there are pros and cons to it. You need to teach your whole team how to use RSC. Otherwise, you can simply choose between the next pages or Spa, depending on the above questions. Cool. See you in the next video. That is boundaries.